In this video, we will cover the second major step in getting your POS up and running, snapping your POS, or connecting your POS to your data and account. This can only be done after a successful POS installation or downloading of RIX POS software. If you remember from your RIX Enterprise POS download, when you requested to open, you were prompted with a dialog box, Request for License Key. In this step, we will create that license key, enabling us to snap our POS. First, let's walk through the Transition Center in this process. To get to our POS download and initialization page, navigate from Home to POS and POS Software. After a successful RIX POS download, you're ready to move on to snapping your POS, or initializing your RIX Enterprise POS unit. Making sure you can answer yes to these two questions. Have you completed your RIX point-of-sale download? Yes. And do you have a training or live RIX Enterprise account set up? Yes. Then you are ready to follow the RIX POS snap instructions, which will look like this. To start, you need to navigate to your RIX Enterprise account via an internet browser. That address was given to you by your RIX contact along with your user ID and password. Once logged into your RIX Enterprise account, you need to navigate to the store level. As you can see here, I am at our store owner level. By clicking on the magnifying glass or entering your code and selecting Go, you will be able to navigate to the store level. Once at store level, using the horizontal tab, System, you will select POS Administration and POS Terminal Management. When prompted for our last ticket number, we enter 0 for our initial POS snap, and that's a description, a store number, name, and POS number. If you're a RIX 7.7 conversion or coming from another POS provider, before you go live, we will acquire your most recent backup, and at that point in time, you will re-snap your POS. At that time, you will have a last ticket number to enter in the box. But for now, 0 suffices. Selecting Save creates our license key. As you can see, the alert tells us a license terminal has been created. And what we can do now is select Copy to Clipboard, allowing access, and then opening up our RIX Enterprise POS and pasting from clipboard our license key. Selecting Register initializes the snap process. It will take a minute for our Snap Progress dialog box to show up. In the meantime, you see our RIX Enterprise POS login, and here is our Snap Progress box, our Synchronization in Progress dialog box. After that is completed, you will be able to log in to RIX Enterprise POS using your user ID and password and use POS functionality. As you can see, our POS has snapped successfully, and we are ready to log in using our user ID and password. If your snap errors out or you receive an error message, you can go back to the Transition Center and just underneath where we found our RIX POS snap instructions, you can find re-snap instructions. This will guide you through the re-snapping process until you get to a successful POS snap.